when we said this, it was, I think, almost some 6-7 months ago. It was just after the Bihar elections. The Mahagatbandhan or this Mahagatbandhan was an experiment that succeeded in Bihar. My suggestion was that such an experiment should also be recreated in Goa, so that everybody who is against the BJP unite to get them out. After Bihar, there have been many elections, and there have been elections wherein, in the absence of a grand alliance, you have seen failure, like in Assam. So I think Vishwajit has one point when he says that he doesn't want Assam to repeat in Goa. He has a point there. So anybody who copies a model, he copies a successful model, not a failed model. But this Mahaagadi, हाजेर जर चड आमी उलयले जाल्यार ती महाबिगाडी जातली आनी ताजे परस उलोवचें कमी हें म्हाका दिसता बरें. But we are allowed, and we should be allowed to express our point of view and be considered that view as truthful. See, we are mentoring a new political party which has got a clear-cut agenda. The agenda is regional outlook and local presence. So we also stand on a very strong footing. Now we may not have the resources of a Kejriwal, whom all of you all immediately fall in love with. So we don't have the resources for that, maybe, because he is the chief minister of a state. But we have larger presence, we have stronger ideals which are Goan, which identified with the people of the voters of Goa, which they don't have. And we feel that Delhi is part of the problem, it can't be the solution. So there is no question of joining any political party. The point is, we are mentoring a political party called Goa Forward, and we will go forward with that.